Welcome. If you want to set up schedule for your Xiaomi Mi bedside lamp, at the first you have to be connected with your Mi Home application. Open your connected bedside lamp, then tap on these three dots in the right upper corner and select schedules. Right now we have to tap on the plus in the right bottom corner. Then you have to go for the schedule on time or schedule off time or schedule period. You can decide. I'm gonna schedule on, so I would like to repeat like daily and start around, for example, 8 p.m. Click set. Okay, then confirm. As you can see, the first schedule is set up, and we can also pick the schedule off time, so we can turn off this lamp, also daily, and the end we can pick like 10 p.m. for example. Click OK, confirm by tapping on the switcher in the right upper corner, and there it is. As you can see, our schedule on and off time is set up. As you can see, that's very simple. All you have to do is simply connect with your Mi Home application and set it up right here. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.